Today I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo AI for both image-to-image and text-to-image generation, step by step. This is a super useful workflow if you want to create AI art from scratch or transform an existing image into something new while keeping the style, layout, or subject you want. If you've been wondering how to get better results inside Leonardo AI, this guide will make it simple. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Alright. Let's get into it. First, open Leonardo AI in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, you'll usually land on the home page or inside the generation workspace. From here, you have two main ways to create. If you want to generate from a written idea only, that's text to image. If you want to use an existing picture as a base, that's image to image. Leonardo makes both of these workflows very easy once you know where to click. If you want to start from scratch, look for the prompt area on the home page. You can click directly into the prompt box and begin describing the image you want. For example, you might type something like a futuristic city at sunset, neon lights, cinematic lighting, highly detailed. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result will usually be. You can describe the subject, the style, the lighting, the background, the mood, and even the camera angle if you want more control. Now, if you want to use an existing image and turn it into a new variation, click the image guidance icon on the left side of the prompt bar. This is the key tool for image-to-image workflows. Once you click it, choose Image Reference. Then upload the image you want Leonardo AI to use as the base. This could be a photo, a design, a sketch, or any image you want to modify. If you're doing text to image, you can skip the upload step completely. Just stay in the prompt area and focus on writing a strong prompt. That's the easiest way to create fresh images without any reference file. So remember, image reference is for image to image, and no reference upload means you're working with text to image. After uploading your image reference, enter a prompt describing the changes you want Leonardo AI to make. Be clear and direct. For example, if your original image is a person in a room, you might ask Leonardo to change the background to a futuristic lab, add dramatic lighting, or turn it into a painted fantasy style. If you want a more realistic transformation, say that in the prompt. If you want something more artistic, include that too. Next, look for the image guidance strength setting if it appears. This control helps you decide how closely Leonardo should follow the original image. If you lower the strength, Leonardo will keep more of the original image and make smaller changes. This is useful if you want to preserve the composition, pose, or overall structure. If you raise the strength, Leonardo will follow your prompt more closely and make stronger changes to the image. That's better when you want a more dramatic transformation. A good way to think about it is this. Low strength means more original image, high strength means more prompt influence. So if your first result is too different from what you expected, lower the strength. If the result is not changing enough, increase it. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in the final output. After that, select an aspect ratio if needed. This is important depending on where you plan to use the image. For YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, or widescreen visuals, the aspect ratio can completely change how the output looks. Choosing the right ratio before generating can save you time and help the image fit your project perfectly. Once your prompt, image reference, and settings are ready, click Generate and wait for Leonardo AI to create the result. When the images appear, review them carefully. Look at the details, the composition, the lighting, and whether the changes match your intention. If the result is close but not perfect, don't worry. That's normal with AI image generation. If needed, edit the prompt and generate again. You can also adjust the guidance strength and try another version. Sometimes a small prompt change, like adding more detail or removing a confusing phrase, is enough to improve the outcome dramatically. The best results usually come from testing a few variations instead of expecting the first attempt to be perfect. And one very important thing to know is that newer Omni models can handle image editing directly, which means separate image-to-image settings are often not necessary anymore. So depending on the model you choose, Leonardo may give you a simpler workflow with even better results. That's why it's always a good idea to test the latest model options available in your account. So to quickly recap, open Leonardo AI, use the prompt box for text to image, click image guidance for image to image, upload your reference image if needed, write a clear prompt, adjust the guidance strength, choose your aspect ratio, and click Generate. Then refine the prompt and try again until you get exactly what you want. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step AI tutorials. I upload simple guides to help you get better results faster, so make sure you stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.